Okay, hello guys, let's talk about Pixelverse. So you have to claim your coins every 7 hours, and this is the reward section. So you claim your daily reward, and then we also have daily combo. Okay, I think that's not opening. Let's go back and click it again. Okay, yes, it's loading now. So in this part of the daily combo, you have to drag and drop. Some people make mistakes of clicking it, so you have to drag and drop sequentially. You have to arrange it in order. If you don't get the complete arrangement, you might not get 100% of your reward. So let's check it. Okay, you can see that I didn't get one, so it's showing 0%. So you must make sure that yours is correct and complete. So this is the tax section. Make sure you complete all your tax. Okay, let's look at one secret of increasing your coins daily. No, let me show you something first. Look at this daily income. So you click this plus button to increase that daily income. The pet you have to upgrade your pet to like level 2, or you just keep upgrading. After you upgrade your pet, you will notice that your daily income now will increase. Just look at mine. Yes, it has increased to 636,000. So I'm going to buy a new pet. I'm going to buy a new pet and upgrade that pet, so that my daily income will increase again. Because one secret is that the higher your daily income, the higher your daily combo reward. You will see some people daily combo reward it's like 5 million. That's because they have increased their daily income to a very, very high rate. So the more you buy new pets and upgrade them, the more your daily income and also the more your daily combo reward. So you'll notice. Good. Now I've gotten to 954 just by upgrading and buying new pet. So you can connect your wallet here. You can go with maybe OKX. I see I've connected mine. You can go with OKX Bybit, and you have to submit your ERC20 wallet address. Yeah, I think so. So that's all. Thank you.